Welcome friends. In this supported video, I am going to tell you my top 10 altcoins for the month of March, and I am definitely going to tell you my targets for these altcoins, and I will tell you why I choose these altcoins and why these altcoins are in my top list. So please watch this video complete and please thumbs up the like button, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. This is the Litecoin page of CoinGecko and it is currently trading at $183. I will tell you my some fundamental analysis and some technical analysis, and I'm definitely going to tell you that how much profit you can gain from Litecoin and my top altcoins. That I have the list of my top altcoin I will show you. Top first coin is Litecoin, and let me please focus to the content. And this is the website. Just click on this and it will lead you to the website of the Litecoin. Here you can see this is the website. Just read this before any investment in this cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is very volatile and I will not responsible any of your losses. This is just informational and informational video, and that is and my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. The main event of the Litecoin is coming on March 15, 2020, which is called Mimblewimble Code Review. What is the Mimblewimble, friends? Let me please tell you. Mimblewimble, as all you knows that privacy is very important in our cryptocurrency field, and once Mimble activated, here you can see it will hide the transaction ID from the list. Here you can see, and it is very useful for the security purpose, and this feature will enable at 15 March of 2021. That is why I think Litecoin will blast, because Litecoin is you all know that currently is under value. Ethereum touched 2000 and Bitcoin touched 58,000, but Litecoin is still in range of 260, 80, and it even not touched $300. But I think after that event it will blast and it will explode, and definitely it will hit my next target, which I am going to show you in this video too. Litecoin Mimblewimble initial code will be completed and ready for the review at March 15, and you can click on proof, and where you can say January progress improved how we handle stealth address thanks to the Mimble jingle proposal, cleaned up TX history and UL and other wallet improvements. Initial code will be completed and ready for review March 15. That is why this event is very important for the Litecoin growth, and after that Litecoin will boom, and it definitely it will hit new all-time highs after this event. And let me please show you the chart of the Litecoin right now and where Litecoin is price is standing right now. Litecoin is currently in this rising broadening wedge, and it break this horizontal resistance, but unfortunately it fails to hold this zone, and now it is back and it is 183. What is the next technical target for the Litecoin right now for me? I think Litecoin should have to break this horizontal resistance, and once it broke this, then our first target will be this zone $210, and after that definitely it will have to hit 224. This was the main trend line that broke Litecoin very clearly, and it rejects from that zone, and this is new resistance point which is at 195. I think within this month Litecoin can achieve its new all-time high, and it can hit new all-time high. These are my words, because Litecoin clearly break this upper trend line, and now it is facing some resistance at that point. Once it broke this rising broadening wedge towards upside, then our technical target, let me please tell you, then our technical target according to the technical, let me please tell you, then our next technical target will be this zone. You can easily see 265, it will hit 265 dollars price in very near future. But for this, Litecoin must have to break this zone, and I think that definitely before 15th of March, definitely Litecoin will break this and will move very speedy way towards upside, and definitely it will hit new all-time high and will break the record. Currently, I think that in 2021, Litecoin must have to hit $1,000 price level. This is my prediction. Please, my prediction video of Litecoin is available on my channel, and you can watch this video. And let me please tell you my next pick. Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. This is my second pick, Cardano. Cardano is currently at $110 and it decreased $11.7 in 24 hours. In some reason, what is the reason? I will definitely tell you in this video. And current track of Cardano is 5, and here you can see this is the market cap, 24-hour trading volume, 24-hour low and high prices, and this is the Cardano website. Just click on this link and it will lead you to the website. Let's focus to some fundamentals of Cardano right now. Cardano has some events in this March. Let me please show you. These are the coming events for the Cardano in the March. At 17th of March 2021, it is listing on BitMEX. Here you can see DOT and UNI listed at 4.0 UTC on March 3. We will list 2 more from the list on 10 March and the remaining 2 on 17 March. For proof, you can click on this and it will tell you. Here you can see it is the BitMEX tweet. Time to relay, we are introducing 6 new altcoin USDT pairs, Quanto perpetual contracts on the BitMEX platform in March, DOT and UNI next Wednesday, and ADA, EOS, Wi-Fi and XLMS on deck. More details available here. Very important update because after that trading pair and after that trading, definitely Cardano price will go up. And this is the second update. It is at 31st of March. ADA Pay on Shelley mainnet, and you can check the proof. This is the This is the combination with the Koti, and these events I think is very important for the Cardano, and definitely Cardano price will hit in 2021 maybe $5 and maybe $9. My personal prediction for the Cardano is $10 in this year. I think Cardano should have to hit $10 price level. Let me please show you the chart. Let's get into it. The chart of the ADA. Let me please tell you what is the chart telling us. Cardano is now at $1.09 and it is decreasing. It is the main trend line. It is the resistance now right now. That was a previous support for the Cardano at $1.16. But now Cardano is right now Cardano's price is falling and it is decline, and this is the main support zone for the Cardano right now, 0.98. I think it should have hold this price draw, and price will move towards upside after hitting this. Maybe it will go to this, and after that definitely it have to go to up, and definitely it will hit new all-time high within March or maybe within coming future, within near future. I am very sure. To be very realistic, next target maybe Cardano hit 0.98 within some days, within 2 or 3 days, maybe I am not sure. But after that, the rally of the Cardano will begin, and definitely it will hit new all-time high. I am very sure. Let me please tell you the target from according to this tool, and it is fib retracement. This is the point where Cardano should have to hold, and it is at 1.03. I think from that point Cardano should have to move towards upside, and definitely it will go to hit this zone again, 1.48, maybe 1.50, and will break this and will create new all-time high Cardano should have too. And if Cardano drops to 0.98, that will be the good opportunity for us to buy more Cardanos, because this is the year of Cardano. I am very, very sure this is the year of Cardano, and Cardano will, I think, will create history, and maybe 2x, 4x, 5x, maybe 10x. That is why I am very, very bullish for the Cardano, and this is the top second coin in my list. And let me please show you my next pick. My next pick for all of you is this very important coin, Reef. Refinance. Here you can see Reef is currently trading at 0.04, and it increased 1.8% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the 24-hour market low price and high price, and current rank of this currency is 180, and this is the chart, and it gives 86% profit within 30 days. And you can trade this Reef on these exchanges, on Binance, Uniswap, Huobi Global. And if you want to buy Reef from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video description, where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and you create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to buy some small cap coins, then please sign up with this link. This is the Hotbit exchange link. Click on this link and you create your account, and after that you can buy many small coins and many small cap coins and many hidden gems from this exchange. This is the exchange. This is the exchange Hotbit. Okay, let me please focus to the content, and let me please show you the some fundamental of this. Friends, please hit the like button for this effort. These are two, I think, major events for the Reef right now, and here you can see at 5 March, Atomars listing date 5 March 2021, trading pair Reef BTC, Reef and USDT. For proof, you can click on this and it will tell you. Here you can see this is the Atomars, and listing date 5 March 2021, and website reef.finance, and all details you can read. The second update is that was today, 4 March 2021, AMA with Harmony, and the third update is that Kusama development. The forecast will be finished before 31st March for planning with Kusama distribution. Very important event. And second update is that at 31 March of 2021, Dot Basket Engine, Polkadot's link implementation of Basket Engine. You can read these updates and news, and these are the coming events, and that is why I am very sure that Reef will create history and will create new all-time high. And let me please show you the Reef chart. What is the technical chart, price chart of Reef is telling us? Let me please show you. Friends, please watch this video complete, because these gems are very, very important. These coins are very, very important, and definitely will give you profit. And please thumbs up the like button too. This is the Reef 4-hour Binance chart. Reef, in my technical analysis video, weekly technical analysis video, I was told you that Reef was in this ascending triangle and break this, and if break this, then my target was 0.039, and you can look how beautifully Reef hit my target. Now I have to remove some drawings for new targets. Let me please tell you the new targets for the Reef right now. Reef was hit this zone, and it was at 0.043, but unfortunately price is dropping right now. This is the main support zone for the Reef right now at 0.036 right now, and I think Reef should have to hold this zone, and no need to worry about this, and after that we may see pullback of the Reef price. Let me please tell you the immediate short-term target for the Reef right now, and my next targets. I think Reef should have to hit these targets within I think March or maybe in near future, very soon. Here you can see this is clearly like a W pattern, and this is the neckline of the W, and this is the neckline of the W, you can say. And let me please finish this. I think, and technically the target, sorry for that. Technically, it is the target, immediate short-term target for the Reef right now, 0.053, and should have to pull back from that zone, which is at 0.036, and definitely it will go up and it will create new history. And let me please show you my very important tool that I used in many, in my technical analysis videos. Reef is currently at Fibonacci level of 0.61, and it should have to hold this level because this is this is golden pocket, and if Reef break this, then definitely it will go to 0.031 or maybe 0.03. But after that, definitely it have to hit this zone, which is 0.046, and it is 0.78 of Fibonacci level, and then definitely it have to hit this zone, which is 0.056, and it is the Fibonacci level of 1. And within 6 months or maybe within in very short period, I think Reef should have to hit this zone. This is the target. Within 2 months, 3 months, or maybe 4 months, Reef should have to hit this zone and should have to hit 0.13. This is my target. But for the March month, there are very big events on this coin. That is why it will maybe break it will create new all-time high and will break previous high. And let me please show you my next pick of the day, and very important coin. Friends, please show your support and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for exclusive content like this. Hedera HBAR, it is my most favorite token. It is currently at 63 rank and it is trading at 0.163 price level, and it increased 27% within 24 hours. This is why, because very big fundamental news of this coin are. Let me please show you. This is the website. You can visit the website, click on this link, and it will lead you to the website. Now let me please show you the events of the HBAR. Why HBAR is favorite for the March month. Let's look at this. These are 4 main events of HBAR, and in this month of March. First is Rosetta API integration is at 31 March or earlier. Second is HCH based NFT demo. This is very important. And the third is HCH scaling. And fourth event is at 31st of March or maybe earlier, HTS demo. What is the demo? Demo application showing fungible and non-fungible token issuance on Hedera token service. Very important. HCH scaling. Hedera consensus service can scale to 10,000 transactions per second and above. This is also big news, very big news. And these are main events, and here you can see these are main events too. Total 7 main events are coming in this month of March. That is why Reef is going up, and maybe it will break new all-time highs in this month. This is also a fundamental news. Token service. Token can be issued on Hedera mainnet at 31 of March or maybe at 31 of March. And this is the network automation event. Nodes on the Hedera mainnet, testnet, and PreviewNet will have reduced downtime window for network maintenance. Very good. And last update is last event is Community SDKs. Community SDKs is accessible. Languages like Phantom, Swift, and C are available for use. This is also very good. And these are the events, and you can properly invest in research on this token and before buying this token, because cryptocurrency is very very volatile and very risky. I will not responsible any of your losses. And let me please show you the chart of this H bar. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the 4-hour chart of Binance, and here you can see how beautifully price is going up, and it is like a bull flag creating in this. Here you can see this is this main support line for the Hedera right now, H bar, and this is the main resistance for the Hedera right now, or maybe you can say the main resistance point is now that point. What is the next target? Let me please tell you for the Hedera, H bar and Hedera. $0.227. You can say 22.7 cent is our next target for H bar. It is the immediate short-term target for the H bar right now, and definitely it have to hit new all-time high, and definitely it will go up. And here you can see it is how beautifully respecting this trend line, and how beautifully price is going up, and it is respecting this and this trend line, and it is currently at that point $0.16. And definitely I think let me please show you the target, medium duration target. I think definitely it have to hit this target in very near future. $0.27 is my next target for the H bar, and definitely it will hit this zone which is 0.42 in very near future, and this is the target. Maybe within 2 months, maybe within this month, Hedera should have to hit this 0.40 or 0.41. And the complete video of Hedera is coming. I will upload at my this YouTube channel within I think 2 days, in which and definitely in the video I will tell you my long duration and medium duration targets and immediate short term target for the H bar. And if you want to get this token from Binance Exchange, then please click on this video's description, and then you can find the link of this Binance Exchange. You can create your account within 30 seconds, and it is listed on this. Or you can create an account of Hotbit or Bybit. You can create these accounts, and it will take only 30 seconds. Let me please tell you my next chart. My next pick, which is very very important, and I think Cosmos Atom. It is my second. It is my fifth pick, fifth coin, I think, and Cosmos is currently at $19.9, and it current rank is 19, and this is the website Cosmos.network. It increased 2.8%, and now it decreased 3.5% because market is very volatile. That is why we see some price actions, and in 1 year it gives 430% gain to its holder. In 30 days it gives 108% to its holder, and this is the all-time high of this token is 26.32 which was at February 16, 2021, and this is the all-time. This was the all-time low at March 13th of March 2020, and the price was $1.16. And let me please show you some. This is the main event, and this event is on 5 of March. Live MA Mainnet 2 pre-launch event happening on Friday, March 5th, 5 p.m. UTC. For proof, you can click on this, and here you can see Cosmos tweet. Mainnet 2 pre-launch event happening on Friday, March 5th, 5 p.m. UTC. Don't miss out. This is very big news, and it will lead. Then definitely price of the Cosmos will go up. And let me please show you the chart of this token. This is the chart. Sorry for the delay. Sometime it happens. And Cosmos hit $27 price and $26.9, and it was the height of this token. High price of all-time high price of this token was at 26.73, and now it is decreasing and it is at 18.99. And what is the next target for this token right now? This is very important zone for the Cosmos right now. It is at 16.2. I think Cosmos should have to hold this zone, this main support line. This is the horizontal support line for the Cosmos right now, and once maybe it will drop to this point, and after that it will move towards upside for the healthy pump, and maybe it will hit this, and after that it will go up. And according to the Fibonacci retracement, let me please show you what is the target. Cosmos should have to hold this golden zone of 0.5 to 0.61 Fibonacci level, and after that, and it is at $18.9, and after that $18.9 and $16.7, and after that maybe after that from after hitting this zone and this zone, price will definitely will go up, and definitely it will hit this target. First target will be at $22, and second target will be this zone, $26. And let me please show you my next my target for the month of March. I think it have to hit this zone, maybe $38 within this March, or maybe in near future. This is the target, and I think in 6 months it should have to hit this zone. Let me please show you. It have to hit $80 within 6 months to within 2021. This is the target. In the month of March, I am very bullish, and I think definitely it will break this new all-time high and will create this new all-time high. I think $38 is my target for the Cosmos of this month of March. Let me please tell you my next chart, which is my next pick, which is AVAX. Very important, and very important. Here you can see AVAX Avalanche, and it is currently trading at $25.09, and it decreased 11.7% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the market cap of this token. This is the 24-hour high and low prices. This is total circulating supply of this token, and this is the website of this token, avallabs.org, and in 30 days, this token gives 90.3% to its holders. The all-time high of this token was at $59.40 at February 10, 2021, and all-time low of this token was at on 31 of December, and at the price of $2.80, and it increases, and it gives 789% profit to its holder. This is very good profit that this coin give to its holders. And let me please show you some fundamentals, and after that definitely I will show you my technical chart of this token and my next immediate short-term target. So please stay in this video, and please, if you are new user, please subscribe my channel for the content like this. These are major updates and events that are launching on Launchpad of 30 on this month of March. Here you can see, upon completion set for Q1 2021, BZ applications will work seamlessly on Avalanche, enabling new wave of growth of BZX. This event is at maybe before 31 of March, or maybe at 31 of March. This is the second event, staking and NFT sport. This is the mega event for this token, Avalanche. AVAX staking, NFT sport, and USDT official sport all in one app, thanks to Frontier.xyz coming to available in March 2021. Very huge news. And this third event maybe at on 31st of March, or maybe before this. European stable coins, digital euro, Swiss francs CHF, and more coming to Avalanche in quarter 2021. That is why I am very bullish. These are very big news of this token, and I think this token will create new all-time high and will create history. Let me please show you the chart, and let's get into the chart, and let's do some price analysis on this chart of this token. AVAX. This is the technical chart of AVAX, and it is price. This is price chart of AVAX, and it is 4-hour Binance chart. AVAX Tether 4-hour Binance chart, and it is here you can see it was at $59 price, and after that we see a massive dump in the price of this token, and now it is at $25. What is the next? This was the main trend line that broke, and this token broke this, and after that it hit, and here it faced some resistances, and after that we see a pullback from the price of this token. What is the next target for this token right now? I think AVAX should have to hold this support zone, which is at $22, and after that it should have to move towards the upside, because this is very important support, and after that it should have to hit this zone and $45. First target of AVAX is $33, and second target is $45. These are two targets. I think definitely Avalanche will hit this. Let me please show you these levels. This is the main support zone, was at 0.23 of Fibonacci at $22.6, and maybe AVAX should hit this, and after that it will pull back, and then definitely it will blast and it will create new all-time high. I think within the month of March, it should have to hit $60 and should have to create new all-time high on this chart, I think, or maybe it should have to hit this zone, which is $90. These are two targets. I think within March, I think it should have to break its new all-time high and should have to break these resistances. And once this rally start, and this will lead this token to at $60, I think. Let me please show you my coin number 7. This is one of my favorite coin. PancakeSwap. It is currently at $11.74 and it decreased 9.5% in 24 hours. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the total market cap. This is the 24-hour low and high prices of this token. This is the circulating supply, and this is the rank. It is currently at $52, and the website of the Pancake is pancakeswap.finance. Once you click, it will lead you to the website. And let me please show you some statistics. In 30 days, it gives 330% profit to its holders, and all-time high of this token was on February 19, 2021, and price was $20.3. And all-time low of this token was on November 3, 2020, and the price was 0.19, and it gives 5,992% gain to its holders. This is very good profit. And let's focus on some fundamentals. This is the news, and today it is listed on Coinbase exchange, and I think this is good news. And let me please show you the chart technical price target. I'm very sure this token is very, very important, and definitely it will boom, and definitely it will grow, and definitely it will hit new all-time high. This token is currently at $11.74, and this is the chart of the Cake Tether US 4-hour Binance chart, and this is the main trend line. Once Cake break this trend line, and then the rally of this token will start. Let me please tell you the target, immediate short-term target for this token right now. I think it should have to hold $10 price level, or at $8 price level, and after that it have to move towards upside. Once it moves towards upside, let me please show you the target. First target according to me of this token is $18. I think within this month it should have to break $18, maybe $21, or maybe it will hit $30. This is my prediction, I think, and I think definitely it have to hit new all-time high in near future. It is very, very possible. It is at the lowest level of the Fibonacci, and once it break this horizontal trend line, upside trend line, then it should have to hit $16.6. $16.6 is our first target according to the Fibonacci, and the second target will be $19, and third target will be $21. But I think within 6 months this token should have to hit this zone, $43, or maybe it will create new all-time high. Maybe within 2021 it have to hit $100 price target. The special video of this token is available on my YouTube channel. Just visit my YouTube channel and watch this video. And in this video, and on that video, I told you my all targets for this token: immediate short-term targets, long duration, and medium duration targets too. Let's focus to the content, and let me please show you my next coin. COTI. It is very important coin, and it is at $0.45, and it increased 9.5% within 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 181, and this is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the market cap of this token. This is 24-hour low and high price of this token, and this is the circulating supply of this token. And this token gives 718% within 1 year, and it is the profit, 718% profit to its holder this token give. And in 30 days this token give 289% profit to its holder. This is very good profit. And here you can see the all-time high of this token was on March, and it was about 4 hours, just 4 hours above, and it was at 0.26, and all-time low of this token was 0.00556342 on November 7, 2019, and it gives its holders 4,392% gain. Very good return to its holders. Let's focus on some fundamentals. These are the main events that are coming in this March month. First is that debit card and bank account. Very good event, and it is within quarter 1 of 2021, and 97% of people like this, and 856% people voted for this event. And second event will be maybe on 31 of March or maybe earlier. It is CVI mainnet launch, and it is also in quarter 1. And third update is this is very important. Exchanges mainnet 1.0 is launching, and it is maybe on 31st of March or maybe earlier, but it is going to happen, and 99% of people like this event. And this is other fundamental news and event. Exchange license, Singapore exchange license during quarter 1 2021. Singapore exchange license COTI will get within this month, I think. And Ledger, this is also very good important update, and this is Ultra 2.0, and let me show you what is this. This is the COTI roadmap of 2021, and these are the events. You can check these events by and before investing in this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your losses. And this is the final and main event. Added liquidity during quarter 1 2021. Definitely it will add some liquidity, and these are other. Here you can see very big events are coming of the COTI coin, and that is why click payments, EMI license, Paywise, and COTI Pay iOS app launch on 30 June of 2020, blockchain dollars 2.0 30 June 2020, DeFi CVI 30 June 2020, DAG 2.0 30 June 2020, within quarter 2. Very good and main events are coming of this token. That is why I think COTI will hit new all-time high. Let me please show you the chart of this Koti USDT. Yes, this is the Koti Tether US 4-hour Binance chart. Koti break its all-time high, and now it is currently trading at $0.24 and currently is in this broadening rising wedge. And technical target of this broadening rising wedge should be this. I think maybe it will hit this, and after that definitely it should have to hit this zone. First target is $0.30, and let me please show you my next target according to the fib. According to the fib, our next target of the Koti will be this zone 0.36 and 0.56. I think Koti should have to hit $0.56 level within this month, the end of this month, and in before December 2021. I think definitely it have to hit 0.87 or maybe $1 within 6 months. I think it will hit sorry friends, within 6 months definitely it will hit $1 and maybe $1.5. This is the target, and within this year 2021 maybe Koti hit $2 or maybe $2.5. These are the targets for the Koti right now. Maybe 10x, maybe 8x. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next pick, and this is the coin NEEM XEM. XEM has major events in this month, and definitely the price of the XEM will go up after these events. And it is the CoinGecko page of NEEM, and it is currently at $0.69699, and it decreased 12.3% in 24 hours. This is the market cap. This is the 24-hour high and low prices. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the circulating supply, and in 1 year it gives 1200% profit to its holder. Very good profit. In 30 days it gives 164% profit. Very good profit. The all-time high of this token was in 2018, and the price was $1.87. All-time low of this token was on 5th of September 2015, and it gives its holders 900% profit. It is very good profit. You can trade this on Binance, BTC, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to trade this token, or if you want to buy this token or coin on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Thus, just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. I think it will take only 30 seconds of your life to make this account. And if you want to get some hidden gems, and if you want to get some low cap altcoins, then you have to open a account of Hotbit. Just click on this link and create your Hotbit account and start buying. And if you want to do leverage trading, then you have to open Bybit account, and then definitely Bybit will give you $200 bonus, which is absolutely free. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. I think it is enough. And let me please show you some fundamental of these NEEM. These are the main events that should launch in the month of March, and these are the events. At 12th of March, Semble, Snapshot, and launch. Semble launch date and Snapshot height confirmed. Snapshot 12th March 2021. Snapshot height. You can read the detail of these events. This is the second news. And main event STM, and this is the third symbol mainnet launch. This is the main news on 15th of March, and this is also a major news, AMA WXT, and these are the newses of this. These are fundamental newses. That will, I think, after these events or before these events, price will go up. Let me please show you the chart and technical target. NEEM was at $0.68 and now it is decreasing, and price of the NEEM is decreasing. It is at $0.67 and price is decreasing because market is crashing right now. But no need to worry. There is very big support zone for the NEEM at $0.63. And let me please show you the next target. According to the Fibonacci retracement, 0.64 is the level where price should have to bounce back, and maybe price will bounce back from that zone, maybe from that zone, or maybe from that zone, which is 0.57. And after that, once it happens, then definitely it will go up and hit this zone, $0.87 within near future. But for right now, it is very important to hold this zone and to hold this level, Fibonacci level, and should have to hold this $0.64 and $0.57. If NEEM pull back from that price, then definitely it will go up to hit 0.87, and I think within this month, if market conditions support this, then definitely it will have to hit $1.25 or maybe $1.84 or maybe $1.50 within this month. Maybe 2x profit you can gain from NEEM from this month. And let me please show you my next target, next coin, next pick, and this is my final pick, Polkadot. Polkadot is currently at $34.87 and it decreased 6.5% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 6, and this is the website polkadot.network. This is the market cap, this is the 24-hour low and high prices, this is the 24-hour trading volume, and this is the main thing. In 30 days, it gives 114% profit to its holder. The all-time high of this token was on February 20, and the price was $42.5. All-time low of this token was on August 20, and price was $2.17, and it gives 1203% profit to its holder, and this is very, very good profit. This is very good token, and this token is future, I think. And Polkadot ecosystem, I am fan of this system. This is chain and ecosystem. You can trade or buy Polkadot from Binance, DigiFinex, UB Global, and some other exchanges. You can get it from Binance. The link of Binance exchange is in this video's description. And let's focus to some fundamentals. These are events that are integrated with the Polkadot, and let me please show you the chart. Polkadot was at $42 price, and now it is decreasing, and current price is $34, and this is the main support zone for the Polkadot right now. Polkadot should have to hold this zone. Once it broke, maybe price will go down to this level, and will hit $29 or maybe $30, and after that price will go up. Definitely price will have to go. This is the target, and this is the scenario that Polkadot will follow, and I think so. And let me please show you the Polkadot should have to hold this zone or maybe this zone. Uh, Once it broke this zone, then definitely it is going to hit $29. And once it bounced back from that zone, then our first target will be this zone, $37, and then $42, and then it should have to hit $57. I think within this month, Polkadot should have to hit $60. This is my target of Polkadot for this month, and within 6 months or maybe within 1 year, Polkadot should have to hit $100 to $150 within 6 months to till end of this 2021. I think these are very realistic targets that I tell you in this video. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please like this video, and please share this video to all of your crypto family and friends, and please thumbs up the like button, and if you are new user, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.